All right, so Ford has rented me this new hotness, the 2019 Mustang EcoBoost convertible. So, while I'm waiting for the GT350, at least I can put the top down and have a good time like I did today in this beautiful autumn weather. Praise God. Look how gorgeous it is. Got to get these leaves taken care of. Pretty nice. I'm going to do a review of this car. But in the meantime, let's talk about an update on the GT350. Last time I had a convertible was a 2000 BMW M Roadster, which was basically the M version of the BMW Z3 at the time. They basically took a Z3 and they dropped an M3 engine in it. Really fun little car. Not super fast by today's standards, but it was awesome. Anyway, I digress, as usual. So where are we with the GT350? We're not anywhere. I have been kind of hanging out for, has it been 2 weeks already? It's definitely been more than 1 week. And I'm not complaining because I am enjoying the gas mileage of this car and, you know, having a good time testing this car out. But I haven't really heard from Ford. I called a couple times. I did get one call last week from service and they said that they're still talking to Ford directly about this. All right, so here's what happened to the car. If you remember, I had a coolant leak in the car. I just went to check the oil, because that is almost empty. See that pink down there? Wow. So I was hoping it was something simple like a hose or, you know, a crack in the plastic container, whatever you call that thing. No! And unfortunately it was not. So there is in fact a crack in the engine block. So they tore apart the engine. So I saw the crack and I'm going to show you a video of it shortly. And the mechanic told me that it seems like it is a faulty casting or a faulty mold when they put the engine together. So it would have nothing to do with me tracking the car or, you know, launching the car or anything like that. It's just probably a bad mold when they were putting this together in the factory, and I just got unlucky. I think I just hit 14,000 miles in the car, so it's a brand new car. I have not been hard on the car at all. I only tracked it once at Palmer. I just missed my another track day because I don't have the car. So the car, it hasn't been abused by any means. It's just bad luck. But anyway, it was meant to be. Not complaining. I always try to stay positive. I'm still sticking with Ford. I mean, unless they stick me with a $25,000 bill to fix the engine, because I heard that's what they charge to put a new engine in the car. So yeah, I'm just kind of in a holding pattern. I just called and left them a message. I haven't heard from them in several days. So basically they told me that they are asking Ford if they're going to replace the engine or if they're going to repair the engine. From what I hear from their service manager, it's not something you want to repair, and it would probably be a lot more time consuming and laborious to repair the engine. So I'm assuming they're just going to ship me a new engine. If they do, I'm hoping that some of our subscribers, thanks guys, suggested that it might be one of the newer engines that they've updated, sort of shore up the engine, make it a little bit stronger. So I'm hoping that's the case. What's this going to do to the resale value of the car? So my other option is I might consider trading it in for a 2020 GT350. However, the prices have gone up several $1,000s on the GT350s, and I don't really know if I want to add to the already exorbitant payment that I have. It's over $640 for this car. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I may keep the car, and if the engine is proven, if the new engine is proven, I take it to the track a few times. I may end up modding it, putting a blower on it at some point. I'm not sure. I would have to see that there's really a lot of reliability on these new GT350 engines before I do any mods to the car. I've lost my faith in this as a moddable platform, and in Ford's defense, this is not a moddable car. This car is perfection already. It's perfection out of the factory for track applications. I've had a GT350 on track twice. It's a physics-defying animal. It's a total beast. It's awesome. If you haven't experienced it, you got to track the car. Once was at the Ford training, and then once I tracked it myself at Palmer in Massachusetts. It's a phenomenal car. However, it's not that fast in a straight line. So I did want to get a bit more power out of it. I wanted to add a supercharger to it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that now because I kind of just lost faith in the platform. Again, just in terms of modability. For tracking the car, it's perfect. The other option is I get rid of the car and get a base model Mustang and then just mod it, because I guess, you know, mod videos, everybody likes mod videos, right? I mean, I'm talking cloth seats, literally mod everything. So let me know your thoughts about that. I know a lot of subscribers are GT350 guys. First and foremost, this is always going to be a Mustang channel. I'm not going to get the C8. I'm not going to get the GT500. It's too expensive with markup. I may get the C8 in the future, but for now, I'm going to stick with the GT350, or at least stay within the Mustang platform. So anyway, I've blabbed enough. That's the update on the car. Currently, they are getting me this 2019 Mustang EcoBoost. It's a fun car to drive. I'm going to do a full review on it, as I said. They are paying for this for me, but the message I got from the service manager was, we're talking to Ford to see if they want to repair it, or if they want to replace it, or if they're going to start taking over payments on a rental, or if they're going to make me pay for the rental, or what have you. So that's all I have right now. I don't know anything else from them. I haven't heard anything from them, so I'll let you know how it goes. In the meantime, here is what the engine block looks like. All right, here's my sick baby. There's the block exposed. You can see the coolant in the orange there, pretty much everywhere.
Are you driving this?
I know, I wish I was driving this. The silver one there.
Oh, the crack is. Can you see it right there?
Boy, good.
See it right there along there?
Yeah, look at in there.
You see what I'm pointing at? See that crack?
Bill, you see it?
Right
Oh, I think so, yeah.
Well, maybe if you take the picture and then
Yeah.
blow it up.
Yeah.
At least you're in the right area.
So it's right
there.
in there. How'd you discover it? You just like...
Well, when you pressure test it, it starts leaking right there.
Okay. And there's no way to like just solder it or something, or high performance engine like this?
Yeah, I don't think you want to fix like that.
All right. All right, guys, I'll have another update soon, hopefully a good one. Please feel free to share your thoughts below. You know, let me know what you think. Let me know what your advice is. Let me know how you would like to see the channel unfold. If you'd like to see me get into a Mustang GT again, what have you. I will tell you that I do miss the creature comforts of a Mustang GT. My 18 GT that I had, oh, I love the interior. The 401A was a superior interior. All the, you know, the digital dash, the ambient lighting, love all that stuff. However, the 2020 GT350 comes with the Cobra puddle lamps. I love me some Cobra puddle lamps, guys. That's something that a guy like me is heavily influenced. But you put a little Cobra logo on something, especially you shine a Cobra light on the ground, I'm like, sign me up. You know how your host is. All right, anyway, so let me know what your thoughts are. Do me a favor, hit the like. I try not to force us to make 10-minute videos, even though that YouTube will recognize a 10-minute video and it will put you higher in the search results. I just make videos as long as they are. So I don't want to fill this stuff with fluff for you guys. So do me a favor, help me out. If you could just hit the thumbs up, you know, drop a comment, etc. I appreciate it. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. We're gonna have a wild ride. Good things coming, always God willing. And always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. See you guys in the next one.